Hi guys, today we are gonna learn what is multiplication. So let's start. I wish there was someone just like me. Seriously, everyone knows us too, and from the start. Everyone, why do you want someone just like you? You two stop arguing, come on! Okay, in this place I'm perfectly alone. I wish there was someone like me. What is this? Well, whatever. I wish there was someone like me. But how different powers, how different powers. How are you? Wait. Who are you? What a multiplication. Wait. What is multiplication? Wait. Who is this? He's multiplication. I don't get it. Says me. That's crazy. Shush. Multiplication is a faster way to do addition. It's just that. Seriously, I'm getting out of here. Multiplication is a fast way to do addition, but it's like 2 times 2 equals 4. So, I am times, not multiplication. So, but you can also call me as multiplication. Wait, what? Wow, you don't know multiplication? Now he's telling me who's multiplication. Okay, you do have fun, okay? So, now to do multiplication, you have to move all the tables. Like if you want to do multiplication of 2, then you have to know the tables of 2's. Like 2 times 2 is 4. So like that. So let's say the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So now you know the tables of 2? Yes, of course. You literally do the whole thing. Yeah? So, will you please call your friend? And you want twins first? I don't want to see twins. They're kind of crazy. They're always crazy. Trust me. Okay, so let me call equal to. Yeah. What is the whoa? Who's that? Who's just like you? That is multiplication. Oh, I'm multiplication. Hi, multiplication. Oh, a faster way to do addition. Nice, addition. Seriously, addition. And let me just call greater than and smaller than. Bye. Come on, are those twins? And they're twins. So, where are the twins? I need to meet them. Smaller than and greater than, right? Yeah. Smaller than, greater than. Just coming. What is going on here? Oh, the twins. So, let me just get out of here for a sec. Okay. So, do you know who am I? we have no idea who are them. No idea. I am multiplication, also known as times. So, multiplication is a faster way to do addition. So guys, do you know what is multiplication? Yes, that's correct. It's a faster way to do addition. As multiplication said, 2 is table, that's a faster way to say 2 to 20. So, times, what are you doing here? Times, get out. So guys, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and like my channel. Bye.